Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am going to be testing out some Dollar Tree products. I have my basket of goodies right here. And I'm not going to test out everything because there's like a ton of stuff in here. But I am going to test out. Okay, you know what? Before I tell you what I'm going to be testing out, I need you to hit that subscribe button. If you're not already subscribed, that'll be so awesome. We are almost at 50K and I'm like so excited about it. You guys know I get super excited about like every single thing. So yeah, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you're always notified whenever I upload a video. Alright, back to the basket of Dollar Tree goodies that I want to test out. Okay, so the first thing I am going to test out is this nacho cheese. I am like really excited about this because I love eating nachos. I can eat it all day, I'm telling you guys. Because I have like the nacho chips, that kind that you get from the movie theater. I have those kind, I get them from Amazon, and some jalapenos. I'm good. Like movie nights, nachos and cheese, yes, pop some popcorn, we good. So yeah, I normally get the cheese from Amazon, but it comes in this really big can and I can never finish it before it goes bad. So I'm like, I need to find a smaller size. Saw these at Dollar Tree, nearly lost it. I was so excited about it. So I have the regular like a nacho flavor, and then I have the jalapeno flavor, and these are by Squeezed Cheese. So I'm gonna test these two out. Let's see, this glass and surface cleaner. This is my first time trying this, so I'm not sure if it's something new at Dollar Tree, but it's by the home store. The one I normally buy from Dollar Tree that's really good. Oh God, I can't reach it. Ah, come here. Alright, so it's the LA's Totally Awesome, and it is awesome. I love this one. But I'm going to try this one out, see if it's good. I've been hearing good stuff about it, so yeah, we're going to give it a try today. And let's see, what else? Oh, the detergent. The Dynamo detergent. This is supposed to be a color safe detergent, so you can mix whites and colors together. Use this and you don't have to worry about any like color bleeding onto the whites. Okay, so the first thing we are gonna do is the cheese. You guys already know I'm gonna start off with the cheese because I love snacking and I don't care if it's unhealthy. I'm still gonna have my nacho cheese. All right, so let's go and warm up this cheese, get my nacho chips, and test it out. Please let it be good. Please, please, please let it be good. All right. Okay. I just warmed it up. So we have the jalapeno on this side and the regular nacho cheese on this side. Everything is nice and hot. Let's taste it. I'm gonna do the jalapeno first. Ooh, let it be good. It's okay. I was expecting better. You know what? Let me try the nacho cheese. Come on, let this one be good. Let this one be delicious. Get all that cheese in. Get some more cheese. It's not that good. Oh man, that tastes worse. The jalapeno tastes better than a nacho cheese, but I mean, these are just my taste buds. You know what? Let me give the jalapeno one more. Let me get some more cheese. Let me get some more. Let me give it one more taste, because the nacho flavor, nah. You can definitely taste the jalapeno. It does taste better than the regular nacho cheese, but that's just me. These are my taste buds. But I'll probably stick to the one from Amazon. I don't think I'll rebuy this. I'll probably finish the jalapeno one because it does taste better than the regular nacho nacho flavor. It tastes like nacho cheese. It just doesn't taste like the one I'm used to. Maybe that's it. Maybe I just have to get used to the taste. I'm gonna give the jalapeno flavor, and I'll give this an 8 out of 10. The nacho flavor, this gets a 5 because, I mean, it's not terrible. It definitely tastes like nacho cheese, but I'm used to a certain taste, I guess, and that's why I'm just like, no. It's not terrible, I'm not saying that. Definitely tastes like nacho cheese, but the jalapeno tastes much better. Okay, so now I am going to test out this glass cleaner. I dirtied up the mirror because I really wanted to test this product out. Okay, so we're going to clean it now. See what we're working with. Has a nice foam. There you have it. It works. I like it. Just might be a favorite, my new favorite cleaner. Don't mind these lamps on the floor. I need to get like some accent tables to put them on. So I have them on the floor for now until I go shopping. But yeah, I like it. Oh, the mirror is nice and clean. Oh yeah, loving it. I think this just might be a favorite. It works. It works really well, guys. Let me get up close on it. Glass and surface cleaner, streak free. It is definitely streak free. Okay, so the last thing that I'm going to test out in this video is this detergent. All right, so we have our colors. I purchased these tops from Dollar Tree. Didn't want to use any good clothes to test this stuff out. And these white tops. So we are going to see if this product works. Let's see if this product is really going to keep the whites white without color bleeding. It's up. The struggle. The struggle. Okay. What's this on my floor? What is this crap on the floor? Okay. Don't need a lot. And I have this product as well. These are washing pads, and it's supposed to do the same thing as the liquid detergent, keep the colors from bleeding on the whites. But I guess I'll try this one next time and see if it works. All right, the clothes are done. Let's see. Let's take out the whites. And okay. Doesn't look like there's any damage. All right, I'm gonna put it in the dryer. All right, so here it is, guys, nice and white. Okay. All right, so as you can see, it did work on the items that I was testing, but I'm gonna tell you this, still test this out before you use it. If you know you're gonna be doing like laundry with colors that's gonna bleed, throw some white socks in there with it and see if it's gonna bleed off on the whites. I feel like I need to test this out again on like a heavier load of colors and throw some whites in it and see if it's gonna work, because you know, I was just using a few pieces that I found at Dollar Tree. I don't know why I'm doubting it, but I feel like I need to test it out on something much heavier than what I use. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, like I said in the beginning, please do so. That'll be so awesome, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.